Hi everybody, welcome to a new episode of the GenAI Nerd Channel. And in this video, I want to show you how you can leverage Claude to build great templates for Excel for a particular activity. And more specifically, I will show you how you can actually, as an entrepreneur, start building a cap table in Excel using Claude as a starting point for a great template. So let's get started. Yeah, so here I'm in my Claude environment. And so here you will see the prompt that I've written. So this is quite a straightforward prompt. So I'm saying I'm a founder who is starting to raise money for my seed stage startup. And then I give some additional information about what kind of cap table I want to build here. And then I simply have to press enter, and actually then Claude will in the backend enable a particular skill, which is the Excel builder skill. So this is a skill that is predefined in Claude, and in the end that means it will now do a lot of coding for me, and then in the end I will receive a download. So here I can now download the cap table that it has built for me. And now we can take a look how the cap table looks like. Yeah, so here we can take a look at the cap table. And actually you can see here it has created multiple sheets for me with some assumptions that I can adjust or not. A sheet where I can start filling in shareholders. A sheet for my ESOP, if I want to do that, if I want to create an ESOP pool for my employees. So you see that with one single prompt, we now have a very nice template where also all the kind of formulas that I need are already predefined. So I can now really start filling in the cap table and all the numbers will automatically appear. So I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And thanks a lot for attending. Bye.